microphone built the sound system. I figured broadcast professional would not work his mic. Look at that. Now, earlier today, you see his son there, looks like a Gwinnett Brady's hat standing next to the trophy. Earlier today, I took a picture of his son and Matt working under the rear end housing of the truck. He was handed his dad tools, Matt wrenched away. You see a monkey in the passenger seat. That's to get the monkey off his back. He's got a GoPro camera in there. He's going to post up a video of this race, I believe, on Facebook or YouTube later on. And here he is getting ready to dismount from his Chevrolet. It says move on the front, not in Silverado. Give it up for tonight's victor, the 69 of Matt Vassar. We'll forgive him for being the best man, probably. And here's where his monkey Connecticut used shirt goes on the shirt. Talk about it.
This my shirt. All hours in the shop all week.
As much as you do. Talk about the race. You had to start from fourth. You had Jake Weimer as a green driver in front. You had Ridley Riley who finished the one track stuff, and your brother. How'd you get around with him? Rivalry, but nonetheless, the checkered flag and now victory lane celebration for Matt Vassar. Congratulations, sir. Follow him on Twitter at Vassar2, V-A-S-S-A-R. He's going to do an interview with Race Week Garage Talk TV. Up next, our final race of the night, the Outlaw Late Models. Back to you again.